guys, I'm back again with another video. I'm about to go to work. I've woken up super early today because our merchandise came in. If you like it, subscribe. And it's got SV Squad and Siaosiandvictoria. And I've had so many people ask if we're selling them yet. No, we're not selling them yet, but look out because we may be. Just trying to get together a pool of how many people would be interested. So if you are interested, make sure you comment down below to say that you would be interested. Yeah! What the heck? Danielle walked out to me and saw that I was wearing the SV Squad shirt. And he's like begging me for one. It's too big on you now. I'll have to get you another one.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
What the heck? It's too big. You're gone so small.
Okay.
That is so funny. Why were you begging me for one?
Because I could see it and it's cool.
What are you guys doing? What were you saying?
Huh?
What were you gonna say?
Well, I got 20 bucks from Richie last night.
Oh.
We're doing 5 push-ups.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, 20 bucks. He said 10, and then I did 10. I mean, 5 sit-ups. Like 1 sit-up and that. It's like, okay, here's 20 bucks.
Oh, that was really
School.
nice of him.
School.
Did your dad know?
Mm-hmm.
What'd your dad say?
He said, hey, I'll just keep it.
So what are you gonna do with it?
I don't know.
Tanel's lost a lot of weight, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. With that footy, I'm gaining a little bit more.
Yeah, but that's okay.
I got my...
Where's Aussie?
Inside.
Oh, I'm gonna come inside.
Yeah?
I'm gonna come inside.
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going to the shops.
Come.
No, what the heck? And why are you eating biscuits for?
What biscuits?
I can smell it on you fatty.
I'm not eating biscuits.
Yes, you are. You ate one.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying.
Stop lying to the viewers.
I'm not lying to the viewers. Hi, viewers.
How was church today, Sios? Did you miss me?
Nah. Okay, guys. Now, I just want to say thank you to you guys who like and subscribe our vlogs. But, guys, if you angry at us, don't comment below. Don't waste your time to comment down. You just go watch your favorite video you wanted. If you didn't want to watch us, don't look for other videos to watch, or go look for Bum of the Cow to watch it. That's a good TV for you and good vlog for you. If you want more coming down, that's you. That's you, same as you.
What the
You
heck?
talking too much, you look like... Yeah. If you see more poof of the cows coming down, the poo of the cow, that's same as your mouth is talking too much. You see, look like you.
Hey guys. Okay guys, so today was my day off, and I know we've been kind of slack with vlogging. We didn't really vlog the weekend that had just passed, mainly because Siaosi and I both worked on Saturday, but I just basically wanted to come up on here and just express my feelings right now. We went to a whole lot of house inspections. Now, we've been holding off as well from disclosing this information because we weren't quite sure, because I know that in the past we had said a lot of times that we were looking for a place and never ended up moving out, but now we are actually looking for a place and ready to move out. We've already purchased a few things in time for that. Oh, my arm's getting sore. And basically my frustration, right, get to the point, Victoria. My frustration. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's the lighting, but my face looks kind of nice. Anyways, Siaosi and I have been to so many inspections, including today. Like throughout the past couple of weeks, we have been looking at houses to move into, and my frustration, like, I just couldn't help but cry. Honestly, I just started crying this afternoon out of nowhere. Just out of nowhere, my hormones are like all over the place. I just started crying because you know how when you just feel so frustrated with the progress of your life, like You just feel so frustrated with where you're standing, and you feel paralyzed, like you cannot move. You work so hard to move forward, to get to the next level, or to get to that next step, but you're still remaining in the same position, if not 4 steps back. And it may not even be the case, that's just how you feel. Well, I've been really feeling like that lately, and today it just hit me like a ton of bricks. I just felt so unaccomplished, so defeated. That's the word that I'm looking for. I just felt so defeated in terms of progress in life, and I'm definitely not where I want to be. But it just took me a minute, and it took me to talk to Siaosi. I mean, Siaosi wasn't here when I was crying, and then when he came home, I sent him a message. When he came home, he came looking for me straight away and was like, what happened? So I started talking to him and telling him the way that I was feeling, and I started crying, and he's just such a great man. He was comforting me. Oh no, my battery's gonna die, and my makeup smudged from when I cried. I'll try to make this quick, otherwise I'll use our other camera if this dies. But he was like basically comforting me and just explain things to me, put it into perspective, and basically I just love that about him. You know, I love that about my husband, is he just brings me back down to earth, because my mind, it always tends to over dramatize things, and I just get so flustered and stressed, and I just like blow it way out of proportion. And he just sort of brought me back down to earth and just gave me solutions, and for our family, solutions and steps in how to get there. I mean, stop making excuses, but to actually move forward. And it was just so good. Like within minutes of just speaking with him, I just felt like a ton of bricks was just lifted off my shoulder immediately, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I mean, I'm not feeling like 100%, but like just that I just felt stress-free. Why can't I speak tonight? I just felt stress-free when I was talking to him, and he was just relaying some wisdom to me. And I just want to publicly appreciate my husband. And also if you guys want to share encouragement down below, comment down below some encouragement. I mean, if you have scriptures that I can look up, that would be lovely. But if there is anyone else that is going through the same thing, or if you've been through the same thing, please let me know how you progressed. It's just what I'm feeling. Guys, that's my video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching, spending your time to watch us, and liking our videos, subscribing, commenting. All of you guys, we love you guys so much. And I know that you guys are probably going to complain if you don't see Aussie, so I'm going to go to the front and actually film him before this video ends, so that you guys do not ask where Siaosi is. And I love you guys so much. You guys mean so much to us. And thank you. Remember to subscribe and like this video, guys. Say hello to the viewers.
Hello.
I'm about to edit the video.
Yeah.